Hello artists and welcome to another quick draw. Today we are drawing a pumpkin Mickey Mouse just in time for Halloween. Okay, before we get started, let's talk about supplies. You'll need an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, a number 2 pencil, your trusty knead eraser, always have your black Sharpie. And for today, I'm using some Copic markers. For the orange, I'm using a YR07, 09, and 15. I'm also using for green a YG 13 and 17. And for the browns, we're going to use a E25 and E34. If you don't have alcoholic markers, just use your color pencils, crayons, any type of markers you have. Okay, to get started, we want our paper facing horizontal or hot dog style. And we're going to draw 3 circles. You're going to lightly draw with your pencil. First, right in the middle, a large circle. Then you're going to draw 2 smaller circles to make it look like a Mickey head. Lightly draw it. I'm doing a little darker so you can see it. So now it looks like a Mickey, but we're going to turn this into a pumpkin. The next thing you're going to draw inside your large circle, ovals for the eyes, 1, 2 ovals, and an oval going horizontally for your nose. Okay, for the ones that are supposed to be eyes, you're going to draw a little half circle on each side. And now we need to add a mouth. So on each side of the circle, you're going to draw a little half circle here. And then on this side, another little half circle. And this is going to be your mouth. So you'll start from one half circle, you're going to draw a line and curve it and connect it to your other half circle. And then we're going to draw another line. You're going to start from your other one half circle and you're going to curve it, but you're going to go down a little more to make it look like an open mouth and then connect it to your other half circle. So now we look like we have the Mickey Mouse face. But still, we're not looking like a pumpkin. So let's start making it look like a pumpkin. To do that, we're going to start right in the middle of our large circle, and you're going to draw an oval. Inside, straight up and down, vertical, oval. Right in the middle. Now you're going to draw about a half oval, and you're going to connect it to the center oval. So you're going to draw your half oval and connect just like so. We're going to do that on the other side. A half oval and connect. All right, and then you're going to do it again. Your half oval and connect until you pretty much fill up all of your circle that you drew. So another half oval and connect. And keep doing the same on this side, a half oval and connect. And then another half oval and connect. Oh, my pencil broke. That's okay. Just sweep that away. All right, now it's kind of looking like a pumpkin. But these 2 circles on top also need to look like pumpkins. So we're going to do the same technique. We're going to draw the oval starting in the middle of that circle, but this is going to be in an angle. All right, so that's your middle one, and then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw a half oval and connect, half oval and connect again until you fill up your whole circle that you drew. All right, same thing on this side. Draw your oval in the middle in an angle, and then you're going to do a half, connect, half, connect, keep going until you filled up your circle. Start to look like a pumpkin. All right, now we need to give it a stem. To do that, you're going to draw one line and curve down. Draw another line right in the middle where the middle oval is and curve it down. And on top, you're going to draw another oval right on top. And you're going to connect it to the top. You can erase that. If you make a boo-boo, you can always erase. Okay, draw a little, and then I think I'm going to extend this out just a little bit more. Perfect. And then we want a little squiggly line to look like a vine. And then off on this side, we're going to draw a leaf. It's going to be like a half heart. And then you're going to draw the other half of a heart. So it's a heart leaf with a line in the middle. And then some lines for some veins. Perfect. Next step, we're going to trace it with our black Sharpie. Now watch how I trace the eyes. We're not going to trace the entire oval that we drew. We're going to start where we made that little half circle and go around the oval and stop where this. So you don't need that little middle line. Same on this. Trace your half circle and then trace the outside line of the oval. Perfect. Now trace the nose. And we can trace our mouth. Now when you go to trace the pumpkin, you don't need that outlined circle anymore. You just need the ovals that you drew. So don't worry about the circle anymore. You draw your oval and connect. I might have made this one a little too big. All right. Thank you. So we do not need the lines from the original circle. That's why you need to draw it lightly because we're going to erase all these lines. Good. Keep tracing. Same with our big pumpkin. You do not need, you can draw through the face because we're going to color that in black, but don't draw through your leaf. Not coloring that black. Perfect. All right. Next step is to erase all these pencil lines. All right, good job. You erased all your pencil marks. Next step is to color. And first we're going to use our Sharpie and we're going to color in the eyes, your nose, and your mouth. And that will give you your Mickey face. All right, now he's starting to look like a pumpkin Mickey Mouse. Next we're going to add is color. So I'm using some alcohol markers, which are Copic alcohol markers, but you can use color pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you have at home to color your pumpkin Mickey. So let's start with the smaller little leaf here. did it. We drew a pumpkin Mickey Mouse. Good job today, guys. And remember, if you can imagine it, we can create it.